Hi guys, today I will show you how to call Globe Hotline using keypad number on business account. Let's call it. Click on record, speaker, mute.
Thanks for calling Globe.
Go to keypad.
We're here to make it easy for you to get the help you need. If you want to report an issue with your internet connection, calls, or text, press 1. If you need to buy load, register to promos, track data usage, report issues, and more, press 2. We will send you the link to download our mobile app. If you are calling for your broadband account, press 3.
Press the
If you want to
4
apply
for the
for a mobile
keypad.
or broadband plan, press 4. If Globe Morning. Hi there. Thanks for calling Globe Hotline. I hope you're having a wonderful day. A Globe representative will attend to your call shortly. If you need to report an issue in your internet connection, change or renew your plan, view or pay your bill, and more, you may download the Globe One app in App Store, Google Play, or Huawei Gallery app. Thank you and stay safe.
Press the
For
keypad
English
for
instructions,
1.
press 1. Our operating hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. To apply for a personal account, press 1. To apply for a business
Press
account,
the
press
2.
2. In order to help with your concern, we may need to ask for your personal information. If you agree, press 1 to continue with the
Press
call.
1.
We will be able to assist you on concerns regarding applications for business account only. For Globe mobile plans, press 1. For I will now connect you to a Globe representative. It is important for us to keep an environment of respect and care as we serve your needs. To maintain quality of service, this call will be recorded. Globe Business, this is Arlene, your sales specialist. How may I help you? Hello po, thank you for calling Globe Business. This is Arlene, your sales specialist. How may I help you? Since I cannot hear any response on the other line, I will disconnect this call. Again, you are calling Globe Business, and this is Arlene. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
And that is, thank you for watching. For call Globe Hotline using keypad successfully. Goodbye.